This is my status right now. Yeah, house is a mess. I've got laundry literally everywhere. I'm folding right now. Kitchen a mess. I made John a coffee before he left for work. And yes, we are going to start this Sunday off right, and we are gonna get this mess cleaned up. Dad? He's at work. You stuck with me. Okay, I look like garbage, but this is a real Sunday. Little man just woke up from his nap. Huh? Yeah, woke up from your nap. So I finished folding the laundry and then I put it away. But the house is still absolutely in chaos. And I haven't had anything to eat, so I think I'm gonna make myself a turkey sausage and cheese sandwich. He's enjoying a little snack of puffs right now, huh, baby? Oh, baby. Yeah, he's standing all on his own. But yeah, so I think what I'm gonna tackle first is I'm gonna make myself breakfast, and then I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, and then like do the dishes and whatnot with that. And then the living room, Cicely's just chilling there. Living room, this bare bedroom, and then the actual bedroom as well. So I'm still in the process of training right now. I recently got a promotion, so that has been stressful as well, and I also need to do some schoolwork right now because I'm back in school as well. So, huh, baby? We are going to make food because I'm hungry, and yeah, I think that's the next Sunday reset is food, and then we're gonna tackle the house because it's Yeah, you were just crying 2 seconds ago. Okay, so I've straightened up as much as I can handle. So I think I'm just going to take a break and I'm going to finish my book that I'm reading. I'm reading The Hating Game. And just keep an eye on this little one. So our afternoon kind of took an unexpected turn. So at like 2:30 or something, he was getting a little sleepy for his afternoon nap. I know, you see the camera. For his afternoon nap, so I laid him down and then I also took a nap. And then I was like, okay, like whenever he wakes up, he normally doesn't sleep too long. Maybe like an hour and a half. I mean, as you can tell. Yeah, so now it's 5 p.m. And that means this one's gonna be up a little bit later than he should be, but that is okay. He's just looking at this. Because that means he's well rested. Yeah, you can see we were napping hard, huh? I've been napping good, baby. After a full day of cleaning and just kind of getting the house together, now we do our nighttime reset, so that means bath together. Hi. And the reason we do that together is because my fiance is not home. He's at work. Ooh, look at him. Look at you, Mr. Studious. And so he's ready. He's ready for his shower, but I'm actually gonna hold it off because normally I would do it honestly around this time, and then around like 6 or so, 6:30 or 7, put him down for the night. But that's not what we're gonna do today because he slept a little bit longer than he should have. He sees Samson. The boys. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do right now is actually we're gonna go into the living room and I'm gonna get dinner started. That way my fiance has something to eat. Ow, 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 ow. You're pinching me. That way my fiance has something to eat when he gets home. And then I'm gonna wash Baba's so I can make some for the night. All the good stuff, you know. I'm just probably gonna throw on like a Netflix movie or something for him and I to kind of just watch. I know, Samson's leaving. He's leaving. Where's he going? Go get Sammy. So yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make dinner, and then he's gonna have dinner, and then you're trying to get up, huh? I'm gonna make dinner. He's gonna have his dinner, baths, and then we're gonna kind of, I don't know, clean up a little bit, and then I'm going to set myself up in the bedroom. So when I put him down for sleep, that's when I'll do my schoolwork. I kind of just like flick on a little like side light and I just come in here with him. And the reason I do that is because he wakes up about like every 2 to 3 hours through the night to feed, or to eat. Sorry, he was grabbing something he shouldn't have. Yeah, he wakes up. Oh no, watch your head. Scaring mommy. He wakes up about every 2 to 3 hours to eat, and this way I can kind of monitor him in here instead of having to like go back and forth. So this is normally what I do. So normally around like 6:30 or 7, it's kind of like my bedtime too. I kind of check in for the night and I come in here, and whether that be I literally just sit in the bed and like read a book, because obviously his crib's right there. We don't have like a baby monitor, and honestly our house is not that big. We don't really need it. It's more so just a convenience thing for me, having it in here, and then yeah, so I can make sure that he's down, he's sleeping, he's good to go. So yeah, you ready to start our night? Mommy, it's nighttime. Okay, so I decided on just like some fried chicken. These are frozen, and what I do is I just crisp them up first, and then I literally just add like a pinch of water so that they can steam, and that's how they cook on the inside. And then I've got 2 packs of spiral mac and cheese because that is superior, and that way whatever's left over we can use during lunchtime tomorrow. So this is what I've decided to make. I think when John comes home, he's gonna make himself like a hot dog too on the side. But literally it's nothing special, but this is what we just decided on. So Eli, are you hungry? You hungry? So what I normally do is I'll just throw these right into like overnight containers, pop lids on them, and then I'll just put them in the fridge when I'm done eating, because it's 5:30 now and my fiance won't be home for a minute, and that way I can just knock out dishes right now, wash bottles while he eats. Yeah, I know, just like look at our kitchen, it's just a mess. Somebody's ready for bath time, huh? I'm just finishing cleaning up. So while we were in Georgia, I picked these up. Basically tried this here. I am your favorite elf, right? And I want to put them in the tier tray. I just don't exactly know where. So I'm just gonna leave them out until then. For the most part, the kitchen's cleaned up. Dishes, I mean, look at all those bottles. But yeah, kitchen's all done for the night. At least I'm done for the night. I'm gonna get him ready for his bath so him and I can shower. Sorry if the TV's a little loud. And then yeah, we're gonna get my office stuff ready for tomorrow. I'm kind of gonna do like a pre-Monday to-do list. That's normally kind of what I do on Sundays. Just things that I want to get done that I have in my mind right now. So, all right, let's go, little bug. Yeah, he's been ready for his bath. He's like, Mom, why am I naked in my diaper? All right, we are all in our PJs. So we're done with bath time. He is almost ready for bed. It's 7 o'clock now, which is great. So he'll probably be asleep by 7:38, which is awesome for me. I made bottles already. And yeah, I think we're gonna put on an episode or 2 of The Office. I'm going to write out my to-do list for tomorrow. Oh, what'd you click? Oh. I'm gonna write out my to-do list for tomorrow. So that's ready. And yeah, happy Vlogmas. I know this one was kind of long and boring, honestly, but you want to come say bye? But yeah, this is our Sunday reset. Yeah, like I said, it wasn't too crazy, but oh my gosh. Definitely stay tuned. I'm waiting for it to scream again. But definitely stay tuned. We're probably gonna go, well, I'm gonna brush my teeth because he doesn't have any teeth yet, but I'm gonna go brush my teeth so that I'm all ready, and then I will actually set up my desk for my schoolwork so that when I put him down at 7:30 or 8, I can get to studying. So. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.